First, log into your dashboard, go to plugin, add new, enter plugin name Popup Builder. The plugin name would appear, install it, then activate it. Once activated, this plugin Popup Builder would appear in the sidebar menu. Then click on add new, click on image, enter name for the pop-up. Here we are entering it as grand inauguration. You can name it anything you want, but it should be related to the pop-up. Next, we'd upload the image that we want to be shown as the pop-up. We'll upload the file. Now the file is being uploaded. Now this uploaded. Next, we would specify the rule for this pop-up. We want this pop-up to appear everywhere on the site, so we are adding it as everywhere. Now we publish the pop-up. Next, we would then visit the website. Now you can see the pop-up would appear on the front page, and as we navigate to another page, the pop-up would appear here as well. So this is how you can add pop-up to your WordPress site. Thank you.